Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today we are doing probably the last Valentine's Day inspired look. I really wanted to create something super fun, super purpley, super pink, a little more creative, but still within like the half cut crease, which is like my comfort zone. So this is what we have going on. We have a little bit of a negative eyeliner and then more eyeliner on the top with just an all matte lid, matte lips, pretty matte skin, and a blinding highlight, which is totally me. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is a voiceover. I feel like voiceovers, I can explain things a little bit better. So I hope you guys learned some new techniques. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel with the algorithm and YouTube. So with that said, you guys, you already know, grab your cafecito. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's look. We're going to start off with a primer, you guys, as always, taking my Dominique Cosmetics #2 eyeshadow base. I've been really enjoying this product for, what, a few months now. Highly recommended if you're looking for something to get easy and not in the UK. I love me P. Louise, but girl, the shipping, this economy, no ma'am. So today we're using the Midnight Palette. I haven't used this in a while, and we're of course sticking to the purples. This eyeshadow palette, you guys, is extremely pigmented, as you can see. We're going to start off by applying a purple shade into the crease, and the technique that I've been using again as of recently is really pulling on the brow to create more depth in my eye. And then we're going to go in with 2 lighter purples on the palette, just mixing them to create the perfect shade and using that on a fluffier brush to just kind of blend everything out. You want to take your time when you do this because the purple is one of those colors that can easily just go crazy, and yeah. So I went with a different shade of purple. I don't even know how to describe these purples because honestly they are all so different. They have so many different undertones. So I took that and kind of sandwiched it in between the darkest purple and the lightest that we applied. And then we're going in with a fluffy blending brush and applying a cream vanilla shade underneath the brow bone and blending everything out. Then we're going to take my favorite brush from Michaels, and this one, I am using it to cut the crease. This is the perfect shape to cut the crease and get a sharp line. Really recommended. And because I wanted my eyeshadow to really pop, I decided to clean the lids with a little bit of micellar water and a Q-tip. I don't always do this. I don't find that I always need it, but I really wanted a clean canvas. So I'm taking this City Color base and I'm pretty much applying that all over the lid. It's a really pretty light purpley pink. And I forgot to show the shade that I used, but I used a really light lilac pink shadow in that same palette. And I laid that all over. Again, the reason why I personally like to pull the brow up is because I do have wrinkly lids, and this just makes sure that I get into every nook and cranny. And then we're taking the same shadows and blending the edges. Again, make sure that you have like whatever palette you feel comfortable with. Please don't feel like you need to go out and buy this palette unless you personally want to. Use what you have. I'm going in with the new NYX Vivid matte eyeliners. This is the lilac shade, I believe. These are so amazing, you guys. I highly recommend you pick up like 1 or 2 shades, especially now for the springtime. These are so pretty. They don't crack and they layer really nicely. And we created a faux eyeliner as well as pretty much cut the crease again. I moved on to the face because I wasn't sure what lashes I was going to use. So I'm using my primer to really fill in the pores. And then for foundation, I'm using my Frankie Rose Cosmetics matte foundation. This one is really nice for us oily skin girls. I love me a good foundation that doesn't dry me out. It doesn't cling on to dry patches, but that is super long wearing. And this foundation literally gives you all of that. It's mattifying, it's long wearing. They have so many different options as far as shades. So I will have everything linked in the description box down below in case you guys are looking for a new foundation for the summer, because it is literally around the corner. And then for my concealer, I went with my Dominique Cosmetics concealer that I accidentally ordered too dark. So I kind of used it as a concealer to cover up the darkness. And then I'm going in with the Urban Decay Quickie Concealer. This one has become my favorite. It's full coverage, it's thick, and it's creamy. I just love the way it looks. So if you're looking for something similar to like the Tarte Shape Tape, this one is really nice. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but I think it's totally worth it. And then we're going to do a little bit of cream bronzing. This is the Tarte shape bronzer or tape bronzer, something like that. It's really nice. It looks red on camera for some reason, but it's not that red, and it just blends out really nicely. It has really nice pigmentation to it. If you want it to appear a little bit darker, then you go in with a few more shades, not shades, but layers. And then I am going to use two different blushes, one from P. Louise, and this one is from She Glam. I wanted almost like an ombre from a light pink to the brighter pink, and it looks so pretty. I personally really like this trend with a bright pink blush and then the pink underneath the eyes. I don't know, I just think it looks really pretty, so I tried to imitate it as best as I could without making it look too crazy. And then to set underneath the eyes, I went with a light layer of loose setting powder. This one is from Huda Beauty. It's her Cherry Blossom. It has a pink undertone just to kind of tie everything together. Honestly, you guys, her setting powders are just some of the best, like high-end setting powders. They're so finely milled and it sets the skin super nice. So I made sure that I took a very small amount, and as you can see, immediately my skin just looks smooth, it looks blurred, but of course I do have to set it. So I'm going to take the CoverGirl Stay Active powder foundation. I know this went completely viral on TikTok thanks to Michaela, and I've seen a lot of people saying that they don't like it, and I don't understand why. This is such a good powder foundation. So if you guys want to see how I use it as an actual powder foundation, let me know and I can film a reels. We're going to tie the pink together into the waterline using this LA Girl eyeliner. I forgot what I was saying. We're gonna line the lips with the ABH Cool Brown lip liner, and then we're gonna finish it off with a Fenty liquid lipstick. It's a little peachy tone, but I think it went perfect with the look. What do you guys think? And this is the final look, you guys. I think it all came out so bomb. The matte skin, the matte lips, the purple with the pink with the crease and the faux wing. I'm here for it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. And of course, if you recreate any of my looks, tag me on Instagram, tag me on TikTok. I would love to just repost you and share you and show you some love. So that is it for me, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Stay safe. And until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.